the income that you could make this year that could make it worth your time to start your own online business? You should consider promoting a digital product. There are 5 steps to it. And one is find a program that is proven. And proven in this sense means that you earn 100% profit. 2, you're selling a skill or a program that people want or is helping them. You learn as you earn. And 3, and the fourth one rather, is you're paid daily. And this money goes directly into your account. The second reason or step is you stop trading your time for money. There are 2 ways of getting customers: the old way of talking to friends and family, or plugging into an automated system, a system that works for you 24/7. Whether you're sleeping, whether you're on holiday, whether you're still working, get into a program that has an automated system. Step is, how do you get your business discovered? There are 2 ways. One is using social media. Social media has 5 billion people. Therefore, you can build on social media. And it also means you don't have to build even in your own country. You can build across the world. One is free classified ads. There are lots of platforms that you can run your ads free of charge. And another step you can go further is actually add a video to those ads. And in the same way, you're building a YouTube channel, which later on you can monetize if you so wanted. And the fourth step is, how do you actually stand out on social media? You have 2 options. You can build your business either faceless, or you can show your face. It just depends on what you want. The only thing that you have to do is ensure that you know who your customer is and tailor your content to suit that particular audience. For example, if you're a single mom and you'd like to speak to single moms, you can do that. Create content on single moms. Or if you're about to retire or you're retired, and that's the audience that you want to target, all you want to do is make sure you're stopping people from scrolling and you're engaging with them so that you can help them earn an income online. Last step is getting a new customer. So we have talked about the 4 steps. As you follow each and every one of them and you're engaging with your customers or with your audience, then the thing that they will do is they'll be able to purchase the product for you. In the Legacy Builder program, we have 4 programs. One is $100, $300, $600, $900. And as I explained before, every time you sell a product, because we have master resale rights, then you're earning 100%. If you sell the $900 product, then $900 gets into your bank account. How awesome is that? And therefore, you can do the math. 900 times 30. How much is that? 27,000? Calculate that over a year. And if you're on the lower packages, you also have time to upgrade to the $900. So I hope this has been helpful. Should you have any questions, kindly put them in the chat and I'll be able to follow up and answer your questions. Do like, comment, and follow for more. Thank you and blessings.